Hello store owners! Do I need to manually create any pages when I install the Wholesale Suite plugins? This is a question I do get a lot. The short answer is no. 3 of the plugins do need dedicated front-end pages, but they create them for you automatically the moment you activate them. When I activate Wholesale Order Form, Wholesale Quotes, and Wholesale Lead Capture, my site gets 6 new pages straight away. A wholesale ordering page, wholesale quote and VU quotes pages, a login page, a registration page, and a registration thank you page. The shortcodes are already dropped in. I don't have to touch a thing. If for some reason the pages didn't appear, first thing I'd try is deactivating and reactivating the plugin. That usually triggers the auto creation again. If it still doesn't work, I'll head to Wholesale, then go to Order Forms, and then add New to set up the ordering page from here. For Lead Capture, there's a built-in fix tool. I go to Wholesale, then Settings, open the Wholesale Lead tab, then find the Help submenu. There's a Create Lead Pages button right there. I just hit that, and it regenerates the login, registration, and thank you pages in one go. Lastly, for the Wholesale Quote, I can create the pages manually. I just make a new WordPress page, paste in the right shortcode, like Wholesale Quotes page for the quotes page, and save it. Then I come back into quote settings and point each setting to the correct page. Once that's saved, everything should be wired up and working. Wholesale Suite plugins largely automate page creation, saving you time and effort. If pages don't appear, simple reactivation or specific built-in tools can resolve the issue, ensuring your wholesale operations run smoothly. That's a wrap. I hope this video helped you out. If you enjoyed it or learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel.